Today I'm gonna teach you question number 11. Question number 11 exercise 4.2. Solve the equation. And to solve this equation, 2x minus 7. For making pair we need four terms. These are 3. So we will break this term. We can easily see that x square minus 9. It means x is the square of x minus 9 is the square of 3. So it becomes the formula of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. It means a is positive, and one time we'll take b with positive sign, and next time we'll take b with negative sign. So x is positive. First of all, we'll take b is 3 with positive sign, and next time a is positive, and next time we'll take b with negative sign. So a plus b into a minus b. So here we can easily see that a square minus b is 3 square. A square minus 3 square becomes a plus b into a minus b, and 2x plus 5 as it is, minus 91 equal to 0. Now these are 4 terms and we will make pair. If we multiply these 2 terms, what we will get? 2x minus 7 into x plus 3. 2x square minus 7x plus 6x. 2x square minus x. And if we multiply 2x plus 5 into x plus 3, but we will get 2x square plus 5x plus 2x, minus 3, minus 2x square plus 5x minus 6x. So these two are pairs. These two become pairs and these two become pairs. So first of all we will make pair. 2x minus 7 and x plus 3 is a pair. And next pair is x minus 3 into 2x plus 5. Minus 91 equal to 0. Now if we multiply both these two terms, what we will get? 2x square minus x minus 21. And next time what we will get? 2x square minus x minus 15. Minus 91 equal to 0. So this term and these terms are same. So we consider this term. We consider 2x square minus x is equal to y. 2x square minus x is equal to y. So if we consider y, it makes our equation easier. So now we write 2x square minus x, instead of we will write y minus 21. Now y minus 15 minus 91 equal to 0. And if we will multiply, what we will get? Y square minus 15 plus 21, what we will get? 36. Minus 36y plus 15 21 315 minus 91 equal to 0. If we will minus subtract minus 91, 5 minus 1 4, 2 224. So y square minus 36y plus 224 equal to 0. Now we'll directly apply quadratic formula. Y is equal to minus b. B is minus 36. Minus b plus minus under root b square. B is minus 36 square minus 4a. A is 1. 4a into c. C is 2 to 4. Whole divided by 2 into a. A is 1. So minus into minus, plus 36 plus minus under root 36 square 1296 minus 24 into 4. What we will get? 896. Whole divided by 2 is equal to 36 plus minus under root 400 divided by 2. 400 is the square of 220, divided by 2. 400 is under root of 22. So first of all we'll take y is equal to 36 with positive sign. 36 plus 20 divided by 2. And next time we'll take y is equal to 36 minus 20 divided by 2. Now 56 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are. Y is equal to 28. Now y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8. Now here what we consider? We consider x 2x square minus x is equal to y. Now y is equal to 2x square minus x. And one time we'll take negative y is equal to 28, and next time we will take y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 28 and y is equal to 8. So 2x square minus x, in place of y we will write 28, and 2x square minus x, in place of y but we will write 8. So 2x square minus x minus 28 equal to 0. Positive sign when take in the left side, positive sign becomes negative sign. Now 2x square minus x, positive 8 becomes negative 8 equal to 0. Now 28 into 2. 28 into 2 to the 16, 56. 2 1s are 2 8. 2s are 2 8s are 7 8s are 56. So 2x square minus 8x plus 7x. This is a minus sign, so we will write minus sign with negative sign with greater value. Minus 28 equal to 0. We will make factor. For how to make factor? We will take the coefficient of x square and simple constant and multiply both. What we will get? 56, and make the factor of 56. 7 8s are 56. 8 minus 7 1. So these are the factors. Now next step we will take common from these two terms. 2 1s are 2, x square minus 2 4s are 8 plus 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28 equal to 0. 2x is common. 2x is common. X is left and 2x is common. 2 minus 2 4s are 8. X is outside. X minus 4 is same, and 2x plus 7 equal to 0. First of all take x minus 4 equal to 0. Next time 2x plus 7 equal to 0. Minus sign becomes positive sign. 2x is equal to plus sign. When take in the right side, positive sign becomes negative sign. 2 is divided by both sides. X is equal to minus 7 by 2. Now 8 2s are 16. 2 8s are and 4 2s are 2 8s are 4 4s are 16. So there is no factor of 1, so we will apply quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b is minus 1 plus minus under root b square, b is minus 1 square, minus 4, a is 2, c is minus 8, 2 into a is 2, 1 plus minus under root 1 minus into minus plus, 4 2s are 8, 8 are 64, 2 2s are 4, 1 plus minus under root 65 divided by 4. So our solution set will become 4 minus 7 by 2, 1 plus minus under root 65 by 4. This is our required answer.